in the shadow of a looming horizon. Where machines roam free emerges a new era of conflict. Autonomous, relentless, and precise, a new warrior is born from circuits and code. This is the dawn of autonomous warfare, a chapter where our ethical compass and strategic doctrines are put to the ultimate test. The battlefield is evolving. Loitering munitions hover like hawks waiting for the prey, autonomous vehicles traverse treacherous terrains without a soul on board, and unseen beneath the waves, submarines prowl oceans devoid of human touch. Swarms of drones fill the sky, coordinated, collective, and without a shred of fear. This isn't science fiction. Giants in defense like Boeing, General Atomics, and Lockheed Martin, alongside tech firms like Endural Industries and Palantir Technologies, are leading the charge. From the United States to China, Russia to Israel, nations are locked in a technological race to command these autonomous systems.
Before the Ukraine war, Russia had spent an estimated $65 billion on its military expenditures, whereas Ukraine only spent about $6 billion. It's estimated that Russia had over 900,000 military troops and 1,300 aircraft, whereas Ukraine only had 200,000 military troops and 130 aircraft. Technologies such as drones, AI-based targeting and image intelligence, and Javelin missiles have enabled a shocking defense of Ukraine. AI is proving invaluable for defending Ukrainian cities and infrastructure against missile and drone bombardment. One of the key problems we're solving is using AI to analyze massive amounts of imagery and detect objects because humans just can't keep up. We've received an overwhelming response from our free AI-ready dataset and have provided it directly to the United States and NATO allies. And it's been downloaded over 2,000 times by AI companies, researchers, developers, and GIS practitioners. AI can also be used for change detection. Algorithms can constantly monitor imagery and notify a human to investigate further if there's a change or a movement. It's clear that AI is increasingly powering warfare. And based on the rate of progress in the AI field, I predict that in 10 years, it will be the dominant force.
But with such power comes an immense responsibility. The absence of human soldiers, the detachment from the act of war, raises profound ethical questions. Can a machine be trusted to decide life and death? What happens when a glitch causes tragedy or when these soulless warriors fall into the wrong hands? And the world stands divided. Some nations push for development lured by strategic advantage, while others call for bans, fearing a future where war is just a button away. The lack of consensus stirs the waters of international diplomacy, hinting at a new kind of arms race. The future holds endless possibilities, both awe-inspiring and terrifying. An AI arms race could redefine global power structures, demanding new strategies and defenses. It's not just about who has the strongest weapons, but who holds the reins of the technology that controls them. As we tread this uncharted path, one fact remains clear: the dawn of autonomous warfare isn't just about new weapons. It's about the very essence of humanity and ethics in the face of unparalleled technological might. Will we wield this power to create a safer world, or will it lead us into a vortex of uncontrolled destruction? The decisions we make today will shape the wars of tomorrow. In this game of tech and ethics, the stakes are the very values we hold dear. The story is unfolding, and every one of us has a role in its telling. What do you think about the rise of autonomous weapons? Join the conversation in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of warfare and technology.